Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to change your Fiverr gig URL. This is something many sellers want to do, but there's an important thing you need to understand about how Fiverr handles gig URLs before we get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to fiverr.com. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and log into your account. Now here's the crucial part you need to know up front. You cannot directly change a published Fiverr gig URL. Even if you edit your gig title later, Fiverr will not update the URL to match. The URL is locked in when you first create and publish the gig. So the only way to get a different gig URL is to create a completely new gig with the exact title you want before you publish it. This means you'll essentially be starting fresh with a new listing. With that in mind, let's walk through creating a new gig with your desired URL. At the top of your Fiverr dashboard, locate and click on My Business. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Gigs. This will take you to your gigs management page where you can see all your existing gigs. On the right side of the screen, you'll see a button that says Create a New Gig. Click on it to begin the setup process. The first thing you'll need to do is enter your gig title. This is extremely important because your gig URL will be generated based on this title, so choose it carefully and make sure it accurately represents your service. Next, you'll need to select your category. Click the drop-down menu and browse through the options until you find the category that best fits your service. After that, move to the subcategory drop-down menu, which appears right beside the first one. Select the most relevant subcategory for your gig. These selections help Fiverr show your gig to the right buyers. Now you'll move on to selecting your service type. Choose the option that best describes what you're offering. Following that, you'll need to select your gig metadata type, which may include things like platform type depending on your service category. Take your time here to ensure accuracy. Continue by selecting your metadata tools. These options help further define your service and make it easier for potential buyers to find you. Then select your industry from the available options. After that, choose your tool from the drop-down menu. Scroll down until you find the Search Tags section. This is where you'll add relevant keywords that describe your gig. Type each tag into the designated field and press Enter after each one. These tags are vital for searchability, so think about what terms buyers might use when looking for your service. Once you've filled in all these details, click Save and Continue. This will move you to the next section of the gig creation process. From here, you'll need to fill in all the remaining required information, including your pricing packages, a detailed description of what you offer, any requirements you need from buyers, and your gallery images or videos. Continue working through each section carefully, making sure everything is accurate and professional. When you finally reach the Publish section, take a moment to review everything one more time. Remember, once you publish, your gig URL will be permanently set based on the title you chose at the beginning. When you're satisfied with everything, click Publish Gig. Your new gig is now live with the URL you wanted. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.